Where's your ID? It's Mukono buying. All new people, we want your identity card. Mukono buying. Central view. Madonna. Talent. Talent. These new ones are not here. Green campus. Light college. Boom, boom, Mukasa. Very more. Talent. Light. Forest. Forest. One. Obuninga, wait for me. Here, I'm waiting for you. Wait for me. I'm here waiting. From a high school. Banana, make sure you have the number. Confirm the number before you go. Make it Ebigezo one.
UCV exams. We are going to start with the national anthem and a prayer. We expect you to be late. If you keep quiet, we shall close. Now, the afternoon paper ends at 4:30. We shall open at 5, and we expect to close at 5:30. But because of some special need, if there is any today, then we expect to close at 6. The liberated days will not be entertained. I sent a message on WhatsApp requesting you to download the required documents. That is the attendance list, the seating plan, an absentee list, and SN list. Ensure that if you have not done so, you print enough copies. Then it has the invigilation program. It has where you sign as you take the exam. And there is another reminder on random numbers. Then there is this form. You are supposed to fill it and bring it back. She gave it to me, maybe she can explain.
We are happy to have you. We pray that you have a successful season of examinations. Normally, Mukono, we are good at managing these examinations. Let us do the same. With one mistake that's normally committed at the beginning, we seal the question envelope inside the return envelope. Today, I think we are not going to do the same. Let us correct that. Let us be close to the vigilators so they don't make mistakes. But thank you and wish you success next time.
To your school. The data which is talking about how many senior 3 students do you have, how many senior 4 students do you have, how many S5s and how many senior 6s. So you declare this time on a separate form. And I would like to alert members that this time, for those of you who give wrong information, there is a clause in the UDEP Act which talks about if you give false information to the name, you will have committed a crime. And on conviction, there are penalties. So please give us the correct number of the students you have, both for the candidate classes and the sub-candidate classes. That's the form we was talking about.
Nyanze tusime Anet Harriet, head teacher wa Muza High School. Ebibuuzo olwaleero bitandise bulungi. None enkuba netuyamba netatonya naye abaana badde bateeketeekeddwa bulungi era tebalaze kupanikinga oba okutya era mu ntuufu amaze bulungi era twebaza Mukama tutuusizza ku kino era tulina essuubi tibigenda tambula bulungi era bikomewo nga biri birungi mu linnya lya Yesu.
Yes. Yes. So you're going to do some interview with this gentleman.
I'm not in Uganda.
Uganda, how are you? How are you? This is not that cute. This is the one. Is it? Oh, you're gonna make a
Mukono. Twaleza wamupepa tebadde mbi oba nsomye kangambe wengi naye pepa ebadde friendly era tusuubira results ennungi.
Just community Kumuza High School Mukono Kabini. Pepe ebadde fair. Pepe ebadde nnungi. Omuntu eyasomera. Era tusuubira obubonero bulungi.
N'eddoboozi nze Nagawa Claire Catherine nga Nedina Nkima era nga olunaku lwaleero tukoze pepa yaffe esooka ey'okubala koodi yayo eri 456 pepa 1 nga pepa tebadde nzibu nnyo okusinziira kuba tugikoze tubadde nze okusinziira mu covid yaliwo tubadde tutidde nga tulowooza byanjawulo naye tugenza osanga almost byonna byebimu byetukola pepa zetukola bulijjo byebimu wadde oluusi abamu badde nga batutiisa nga bagamba abaana abamu ababikolako nga gamba pepa ziba zanjawulo bikiimanya zikanga ziba oluusi na kaladi naye nze tuzisanze nga tulaba byebimu era Mukama Katonda nga ye mubeezi 223 tugenda jaganya wano anti nga tuyise bulungi kuba Katonda yasinga fogwaffe tugukoze ogusigadde tugulekedde Mukama Katonda byonna tubimukwasiza ye yasalawo.
Nze Makumbi Sarasi Joyo era olunaku lwaleero tutandikidde mu pepa ya kubala abamu gye bayita mathematics era okutwaliza wamu tebadde nzibu omuntu yadde yeetegese obulungi era tusuubira obubonero results zaffe nga zikomyewo omwaka 2023.